दिल्ली की CSIR लैब ने भारत की सबसे सस्ती कोविड टेस्ट किट विकसित की है। इसका नाम फेलुदा रखा गया है। CSIR के DG S मांडे ने इस बारे में रविवार को जानकारी दी। उन्होंने बताया कि दिल्ली स्थित CSIR लैब में CRISPR-Cas इम्यूनिटी शोध किया जा रहा है। मांडे ने बताया कि शोधकर्ताओं की टीम इस खास क्षेत्र में कोरोना से पहले से शोध कर रही है और अब वे इस पर कोविड-19 को ध्यान में रखकर फिर से काम कर रहे हैं। उन्होंने कहा, CSIR लैब ने फेलुदा नाम से पेपर आधारित टेस्टिंग किट विकसित की है। उन्होंने इसके लिए DGCA से औपचारिक स्वीकृति भी ले ली है। मांडे ने बताया कि यह RT-PCR से काफी अलग और सस्ता भी है। डीजी ने जानकारी देते हुए बताया कि RT-PCR RNA को डिटेक्ट करता है और पॉलीमेराइज चेन रिएक्शन की मदद से इसे इम्प्लीफाई करता है। यह काफी महंगा होता है। वहीं पेपर पर आधारित यह टेस्टिंग किट फेलुदा भी RNA को ही डिटेक्ट करता है।
Our laboratory in Delhi, the Institute of Genomics and Integrative Biology, they have been working on a CRISPR-Cas based detection kit, and because they had this prior experience on working in this system even before the COVID pandemic came, they were able to very quickly repurpose the thing for COVID, and they have developed a paper based diagnostic kit which is called Feluda, and that kit yesterday got formal approval from the Drug Controller General India, DCGI, who is the regulatory authority for this. And the kit is being commercialized by Tata Sons. So it's the Tata Sons who had approached DCGI for approval, and yesterday they received a formal approval for that. So they're different in many ways, it's similar in some ways. It's different because RT-PCR, what it tries to do, it tries to detect an RNA, and then it amplifies the RNA using the several polymerase chain reaction, reverse transcriptase. It requires very costly fluorescent material. It also requires a very costly equipment that can detect that particular fluorescence in the RT-PCR test. And that's why the cost of RT-PCR tests are generally higher. This particular test is a paper-based test. It also detects RNA, but the RNA is detected by a CRISPR-guided kind of a system. So, but then the similarities stop there. After that, it automatically detects the RNA, and then on paper, it will actually, the paper lights up if there is that RNA in it. It does not light up if there is no RNA. So you see a band if a person is positive, and you don't see a band if the person is negative. And because it's paper based, it's very useful. It's very cost effective because a number of things. Number one, it doesn't require costly equipment unlike RT-PCR. Number two, it does not require many chemicals which are costly, fluorescent labels and other things, unlike in RT-PCR. Therefore, it's very cost effective. And in terms of time, it's very quick. So in literally 45 minutes, you can finish the test.